Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I am pregnant and we are going into the winter season, and I definitely did not want to buy all new coats for the winter. They are so expensive and you're only going to use them for so long. So thankfully I found this MakeMyBellyFit jacket extender. I love being able to wear the coats that I already have and just adding this extender. I can wear this on one of my more dressy coats and also my casual ski jacket, which I really love. It's very easy to switch from jacket to jacket. I also love that you can zip it from the bottom or top. Either way, it makes it so easy to put on and take off. I love that the inside is a fleece, so it's nice and soft. It's also universal, so it's not just for women's coats. It can go on men's coats also for baby wearing. I love this jacket extender. It has helped save me a ton of money buying new jackets just for maternity, and it is perfect for baby wearing once the baby comes. I highly recommend it. It's super easy to use and very versatile. And that's my point of view.